A warm welcome to all of you from IIMT Group of Colleges. I am from IIMT College of Management. My name is Siba Saraswati. Today, I would like to take public finance, which is a topic of second year BCom. In public finance, in this session, I will try to cover mainly the meaning of public finance and the subject matter of public finance. So, what is public finance? Public, the word, it means it is of the people. Yes, whatever the country has is of the people of that particular country. As I am from India, I would like to say about the public financial matters of India. In public finance, we will study the relationship between public expenditure and public revenue. Public, that is of the people's finance. Who is dealing with the finance of the people? Government. In India, Government of India is dealing with the public finance, or public finance studies the relationship between government revenue and government expenditure, or it explains the relationship between revenue means income. What all incomes are coming to the government, that is studied in public finance. Okay, एक घर में क्या होता है? In a house, money is coming inside, and that is an income for that house. And on the basis of that income, people of that house will meet its expenditure. So, expenditure pattern of a country depends mainly on the revenue that is coming to the country. So, revenue of the country means I am saying the revenue of the government, as well as expenditure of the government we are studying in public finance. So, what is the role of our government in maintaining a better economy? That is actually studied. You just see a house. If a house is properly managed with finance, you can see in that house, education is properly taken care of. Other expenditure for food, clothing, transportation, communication, etc. What all things are there for each and every individual, that is properly dealt in that house. Means it is because of the proper financial management that is going in that house. Same is the case with country. Role of the government to deal the economy or to manage the Indian economy, it is having a major role. What is having a major role? Public finance is having a major role for maintaining a better economy for our country. So, I would like to give some definitions. Professor Finlay Shiraz explained public finance as the study of principles underlying the spending and raising of funds by public authorities. That is, public authorities, various departments of the government, how they are raising the funds and how they are spending money. There are certain principles underlying this spending pattern and raising of the money, and that is public finance as said by Finley Shiraz. Dalton, a famous economist, defined public finance as the relationship between income and expenditure of public authorities with the adjustment of one of other. Another word you have to keep in mind is adjustment of one of other. Here we are saying income should be adjusted when there is more expenditure. Anyway, in our life also, adjustment of one of other between people is a common factor. So as per Dalton, public finance is concerned with expenditure of public authorities, and public finance is also concerned with income of public authorities. And the government will adjust the income according to the expenditure pattern of the country, or expenditure will be adjusted as per the income. But when we study in detail, we will get more idea of the public finance. So whenever we are studying any topic, we have to understand what is the meaning of it, or what are the advantages of this public finance. Whether it is having any role in the government. Yes. It helps the government in investing properly in the transportation sector, in communication sector, in education sector, in health sector, every aspect of the people, every aspect of the life of the people of a country needs money, and proper investment in those factors like education, health, transportation, communication, etc. is to be done by the government, and it can be done only with the help of public finance. Then, if the government is investing more in certain production activities, the product will increase in that production center. Or for example, if more transportation facilities are provided, better roadways, better vehicles in the road, better railways, good trains, etc., will increase the consumption pattern of the people in transport sector. So, public finance is helpful for diverting the consumption of the people. How to divert the consumption? I will tell you. And one more thing I would like to say, as the importance of public finance, it will help in the distribution of the income pattern. Public finance help in the distributing the income in a proper way. How this is possible, or how it to improve the consumption pattern. If, for example, government want to improve the textile sector, consumption of textile sector is to be improved. That is the target of the government, for example. And government identified, as well as we want to, government is targeting one district should have one production unit. Okay. And voice of the local products is a must. That is also a strategy of the government. That means whatever that is made in India should be consumed by the Indians. Then only the production, those who are producing will get money by selling that product. So when you want to divert that, when you want to improve the textile industry, what strategy government can implement? These are the things that you should know when you are studying public finance. Yesterday when I read one article, I came to know in India, textile sector is contributing 7%. And millions of people are employed in the textile sector. And in India, I'm saying about India. And the people who are either in the tailoring unit or in the selling unit of the textile sector. Anyway, this much people are employed in the production unit itself. So approximately 4.7 million people are there in that means sector, textile sector means we can have the sales of the products that can be used in that textile sector. For example, sewing machine. In the sewing machine, I came to know that a needle that is bought by most of the textile manufacturing centers, they are buying from Germany, because that country is having very good needles. Quality is very high. Long lasting needles are there. They are producing that too very old company. They are having more than 1,500 products that company is producing. In addition to that, they are producing this needle. And India is importing this. India is importing these needles. That is millions and millions of requirement of a small needle. I am saying only about a small product. So this small product that is a needle, we are importing, which is a daily requirement of most of the people engaged in the textile sector. So if we are producing, but production is a factor, it will depend upon so many other factors. I will tell that. But anyway, I want to convey you this thing. Public finance play a major role in the consumption of the people. What the people should consume. Now I told, okay, if the government strategy is to produce needles for the textile factory in India itself, this much of import can be reduced. So we can control with the help of public finance consumption pattern. Thereby we can distribute the income of the people. If the production in that unit is more, means more people in India will get more job. That is a public welfare. We are doing everything for the society, for the people of our country. That is with public finance only we can do public welfare. So when there is a public finance, we can invest in railways, we can invest in airports, seaports, we can construct major roads, main roads, ring roads, we can improve our transportation in inland waterways. Like that, we can improve so many sectors. I have mentioned only the transportation sector now. So like that, we can improve the consumption pattern. If you are improving the roadways, railways, etc., then consumption pattern of the transportation sector will improve. Thereby money will come more to the transport sector. Then coming to the contents of public finance. Public finance has certain subject matter or contents in public finance. I would like to mention that. Public revenue, public expenditure, public debts, financial administration. In public revenue, I would like to mention what is when I am explaining public revenue as a subject matter of public finance, I would like to mention public revenue studies all aspect of the government or which are the sources of income that is to the government, that is studied in public revenue, which is a major content in public finance. That is, government is collecting certain money in the form of taxation. So tax system that is prevailing in the country or the tax structure, etc., are studied in public revenue. Another content, or I would like to mention one more point in public revenue, all activities of the government are performed with the help of revenue or income that is coming to the government. That is, public revenue has that much scope. Every activity of the government done with the help of public revenue. Then coming to public expenditure. Public expenditure is the study of the expenditure pattern of the government, or government is spending for what factors, or what is the effect of that spending pattern of the government, whether improvement in employment opportunity is there, whether more waste is occurring. That can also, positive and negative factors can be studied. When the government is spending public expenditure, that is the people's money, money of the people is spent for meeting various expenditure of the government. So, methods, which are the principles followed for meeting expenditure, what are the effect of such expenditure, etc., can be studied in public expenditure. Then another content is public debt. When this public debt arises, whenever in a house, how loan factor arises? When expenditure is more than the income, then we will take loan. Same is the case with government. When the public revenue is less than public expenditure, or when the public expenditure is more than the public revenue, then the government will be forced to take loan. That will lead to public debt. Whenever a loan is being taken in a house, what you will decide? What are the factors you consider? Method of raising the loan. From where? Source of loan. From where you are going to take? Same is the case with government. Internal sources, external sources. From where we are going to take this loan or public debt. After that, what is the effect of this loan in the economy? After that, what is the repaying mechanism that we have decided to pay the loan, etc., are studied in public debt. Then coming to financial administration. Finance, all factors in finance need proper administration, and government sector, it is the duty of the government sector to properly manage the finance that is dealt in financial administration, or that is studied in financial administration. Then another factor is economic stabilization and economic growth. How can a country stabilize the economy? Whenever there is production improvement, it can stabilize the economy. Now, in this pandemic situation of COVID-19, how the government managed to stabilize the economy? Government identified one major disease is going to spread in our country, which is COVID-19 pandemic. They did all measures to control the spreading of such disease, and that helped the government to take certain strict rules and regulations, or to implement certain rules and regulations in a strict manner. With the help of health sector people or workers, as well as police department, government tried their level best to prevent the spreading of COVID-19 and to reduce the death rate because of such disease. Government made that for what? For retaining the people of our country in a healthy mode, or for retaining the health of the people in a proper manner. That only when there is people, country will be able to produce properly, or production factor will improve. That will stabilize the economy. So government adopted such a measure. So in public finance, why we are studying in a condensed way, I would like to say public finance importance. Whatever government is doing for the social welfare, that is being studied in public finance, or importance of public finance include to provide maximum benefit to the society. That is known as maximum social advantage. And for the economic development of the country, government will utilize public finance, or the importance of public finance also includes economic development of a country. We have studied public finance includes public revenue and public expenditure, which is playing a prominent role in the economic development of our country. Then, to reduce economic disparities, government is fixing different tax structures, or government is framing tax system or policies which will design different taxes for people having different income. So that will reduce economic disparities, how people who have more income will be forced to pay more tax so that their income will come down, so that the poor people will be able to buy the products in that particular country in a proper manner. Otherwise, the price of the products will rise very high and government will not be able to control the market mechanisms later on. That is why public finance plays a major role in reducing economic disparities. Then it helps in production and employment. It also helps in the protection of industries. Then I would like to explain something about public finance, whether public finance is a science or not. Yes, public finance is a science. Why? What is a science at that time? I would like to explain. Every science measures any substance through experiment, through honest observation, and with accurate reasoning. In science, for example, hydrogen combines with oxygen to form water. How we have identified this? With the help of various experiments. And then we will observe. Okay, the scientists will observe how this water has been formed. Then, through proper reasoning, they will verify and prove that, okay, this water formation is because of the combination of hydrogen and oxygen. Similarly, public finance is a science. Why? Because in public finance, we know that it has a knowledge of public revenue and public expenditure. In every science, there will be a knowledge of that particular subject matter. Similarly, in public finance also, we have knowledge about public revenue and public expenditure. Then, scientific methods are used in science, because I have given you an example. Okay, what is the cause and effect of the relationship between the water formation? What is the cause of water formation? Okay, hydrogen and oxygen combination is there. What is the effect of the hydrogen and oxygen combination? It is water formation. So in every scientific experiments, we will identify there is a cause and effect relationship. In public finance also it is like that. When the import of a country is increasing drastically, then government will adopt certain measures to increase the duty of those imports so as to protect the domestic industries. So it is a scientific method. Public finance utilized in a scientific method. Then systematic fact collection is there in science. As a feature of science, I have explained. It has a body of knowledge. In public finance also, we have the knowledge of public revenue and public expenditure. In public finance, also we are using scientific methods. And in science also we are explaining everything through scientific methods. That is, everywhere we will explain the cause and effect relationship, and data are collected systematically, or we are saying with a proof that if this is the cause, that will be the effect, and that is the effect means that will be the cause, like that. So at this time, I would like to mention whether public finance is a positive science or normative science. You have studied what is positive science. What is the present situation that is positive science? For example, how the government is spending money. What, from which sources government is raising money? How much money is being collected by the government? Public revenue is collected by the government. How much? So that is the present situation. Normative science explains what is to be done. Ideal situation क्या होता है? That is being explained in normative science. So, for example, मैंने अभी बता दिया, if protection of domestic industries are to be done, government can adopt various measures like increasing the tax for import products, those products that are being imported. If you are improving the tax, that will help the protection of the domestic industries. So what should be done is being explained in public finance. So it is a normative science as well as a positive science. So you identified that public finance is a science. In about scientific factor, I would like to explain my own personal experience. You are seeing one picture of hibiscus. In our place, first we planted, in our hometown, we planted hibiscus. At that time, many birds like this, especially myna, came to our house. And after so many years, we cut it. Then, now we identified, okay, this bird is not coming here nowadays. Then after so many years, 15 to 20 years, I'm saying, then again we replanted this same plant, hibiscus. And then we identified these mynas will come there and sit, and they will talk during afternoon period. They will sit inside this tree. It is a shrub but grown as a tree. And so many mynas will come and sit. This is through honest observation. In a scientific method, we have identified. So in the flat also, if we are planting this, you can easily identify. Even if it is in the 7th floor or in the 6th floor or in the 10th floor, if you are keeping in a small pot, this hibiscus plant, you can identify this bird myna will come. This is my observation. If it is helping you in some way, you can also do this. So in this session, we have identified that public finance is the study of the relationship between public expenditure and public revenue. And government has an important role in controlling the expenditure of the country. Government can adopt or frame policies, but it is the duty of the citizens to act accordingly. Now, I told government had made a policy, every district should have one product. In the last pandemic situation or lockdown situation, I would like to say one more example. A lady who was engaged in the production of tools for car manufacturers, especially screwdrivers, were produced by her for car manufacturers or for car users. And suddenly, because of the lockdown, her factory got closed. Then she didn't get any money to give as salary to the workers. She identified if she sells this mask, actually she was engaged in some other manufacturing. She identified if she sells the mask, that is the requirement of the present situation. She identified that is the present situation, so she thought of selling the mask through internet. She has certain network, so she sold these masks. She sold these masks through the internet. And in the last month, she within 2 months, she bought a machine to make this mask. Earlier, she sold or bought it from the retailers and sold it through the internet facility. Then she thought of placing a machine to make the mask. She bought it from the foreign country and placed in her factory, and she produced in the last month more than 1.5 million masks she produced. And she sold. Why produced means she want to sell it, no? She sold. She must have received the order through the internet. So if one mask is, for that one mask, if she takes 1 rupee as a profit, how much millions of money she got in 1 month? You just imagine. These are the techniques that you have to identify with the help of finance that is coming to you. Government can only say you have to do business, but it is left to you, my dear little learners. If you are thinking a little bit, you can attain success in your life. And with that, I'm going to end. So today we have studied what is public finance and some importance of public finance and whether public finance is a science or not. Thank you very much for listening.